bago muna ako magpaunang salita, i-recognize muna natin yung inibita natin mga makakatulong sa atin, sa ating adhikain, sa ating pagkikipag-ugnayan sa publiko at ating komunidad na siniservisyohan at pinoprotektahan. Please.
For the roll call of attendees, may I respectfully request Police Lieutenant Colonel Avril M. Pimon, Chief Information Operation Research Center.
So our DRDA and our presiding officer this afternoon, Police Brigadier General Ismail S.U. So present us this afternoon are our guests, Mr. Franz Liam Arabian, our KKDAT National Spokesperson, Mr. Maru Soriano, our KKDAT Advisor from BKG, Mr. Roldan Garcia, our Regional KKDAT President, and our different ticados from the different PPOs, from Cavite PPO, Police Major Joseph Otendo, Police Lieutenant Colonel Melissa Malayo, Police Lieutenant Dennis Labrador, Police Lieutenant Joseph Tapulio, Police Lieutenant Freddy Damian, Police Lieutenant Colonel Francisco Canisan, Police Captain Jovet Di Castro, Police Lieutenant Warley Flor Contreras, Police Lieutenant Colonel Marcelino Pipo Jr., Police Lieutenant Colonel Lalay Malapascua, Police Lieutenant Herminio Parocha Jr., Police Lieutenant Gloria Baliwag, and the last but not the least, Police Major, I'm sorry, I cannot read your name, Fiesta.
Audrey.
Fiesta. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Sa ating kapita-pitagan mga kasama, at lalo na sa ating inimbitang magiging kasama natin, habang tayo ay nandito na dito tayo sa Pro 4A, kung saan man tayo mapagpag. Actually, they're all over the country. Okay? So, itong mga kasama natin, mga KKDAT specialist, nandito ngayon para bigyan tayo ng kanilang salitain kung ano pa yung kulang natin. Alam natin na nandiyan na sa atin ang mga tools na ating gagamitin yung strategiya. Kaya nga meron tayong strategy because we want to win. But winning is not just for us. Winning should be continuous because the win should be with the community and not with the police. Okay? In order for us to win, we need to have an attitude of a champion. And to have an attitude of a champion, we need to prepare and work for it. So where should we start? We start where the challenge is. That's why in every province, in every town, in every city, in every sitio, in every barangay, you have different situations that will dictate you on where you will jump. Our strategy is our strategy. This is general in nature, but we have different approach. So in every situation, there will be approaches. And these approaches delves into what we call aiming for an objective. Because that objective is just a stairway or a yung isang baitang. A step to the goal. Because our goal is too far from where we will be starting. And in an objective, we will have small activities also in order to reach that objective. Hindi po ito madali. Kaya nga kailangan natin ang makakatulong sa atin dito dahil ang ating pag-iigihan dito ay problemang sosyal at kultura. Okay? Problemang panglipunan at kultura, lalo na sa pamilya. At ito'y mararamdaman at maririnig ninyo sa mga speakers natin mamaya. Kaya lang mauuna kayong magsasalita para makita nila kung saan ang magiging troubleshooting natin. Magkakaroon tayo ng troubleshooting, uuulit tayo. Bibilisan natin mo ito. Kasi bakit? Nagagahol na tayo sa panahon, ang dami ng nasayang dahil ang ating mga activity ay naging superficial. Let's admit it. So dito kailangan lalo nating palalimin, paigtingin, by way of what? Dapat naintindihan natin kung ano ang ating ginagawa. Our people, our constituent, and our community should feel from us that we know what we are talking about, and we know what we are doing, and we know where we are going. Okay? So, yun lang, at maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagpunta dito. Naway hindi kayo matutulog dahil umuulan at malamig ang panahon at dumadalugdug. Okay. Maganda yung palaging may kulog para magising kayo. So nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat at of course to God be the glory. May God be with us always in His wisdom kasi ang Diyos lang ang lahat. Okay? So I welcome you all. First speaker.
To start the presentation of KKDAT accomplishments and organization of advocacy support group, may we call in the Chief Pikado of Cavite PPO, Police Major Joseph Olfin.
To our DVDA, Police Brigadier General Panasa Wayoso, and our distinguished guest who was left with us earlier, good afternoon. Please allow me to present the presentations of Cavite Pikado by Police Major Joseph Olfindo, Acting Chief. Next, please. Yes, sir. Sana, sir. Kasi ang apat na kasama ko, puro classmate ko, sir, kaya nalalaglagan na nila ako ng gawin. So, shown is my sequence of presentation. Next, please. So, for the candidate on the Terrorismo Cavite chapter, we have organized 426 chapters and 11,757 members in Cavite. Next, please. On what we have done, the Cavite PPA have organized a youth movement which aims to encourage and strengthens the youth's ability in suppressing the illegal drugs and terrorism problem in the country. Next, please. On the KKDAT activities like KKDAT advocacy sessions through physical and virtual. Next, please. And the Kabataan Kontra Droga Terrorismo, Cavite joined different activities as directed during the RHQ Virtual Summit by Zoom Platform Team at sa pagkakaisa panahon ng pandemya. Next, please. Like the KKDAT members on peace rally in support of the anti-terror law, oral argument last House of Senate on February 2, 2021 is shown. Next. Please, yan, KKDAT Bacoor, Amateo, Indang, Intermona. Next, please. On approaches and best practices, we have considered the KKDAT Cavite chapter as part of their advocacy and support to the government effort to fight against illegal drugs and terrorism, creates its own Kabataan Makadakat Kamada, which aims to unite, organize, and utilize the youth sector in preserving and caring maritime life, coastlines, and all bodies of water within the Philippines. Next, please. As shown is the election of officers conducted on February 13 at Ternate, Cavite. Next, please. So, shown is the officers. They have 4 officers and 50 members during the conducted elections. Next, please. For our sustaining activities, conducting peace rally, advocacy sessions, virtual summits, and social media engagement as shown. Next, please. For the feedback from the community, KKDAT shows their talents to promote KKDAT advocacies. These young warriors will become new heroes. It aims to strengthen the bond between police and youth to fight against illegal drugs. And through its program and activities, we are able to earn positive feedbacks and support the body. Next, please. Details that indicates the presence of their effectiveness shown, sir. The FB page and YouTube channels of KKDAT organizations are dependent. Next, please. Again, David Atnaik, CPMFC, Maragondon, and Tres Martires. Next, please. So on our way forward, we believe in the power of the potential of the youth to create solutions to the most pressing challenges of our time. Driven by this belief, we are making our own effort to support and create positive change towards inclusive, fair, and sustainable communities. Kabataan kontra Droga at Terorismo will continue in Cavite in advocating the government's effort to fight illegal drugs, terrorism that destroys the dreams and bright future of the youth. Next, please. We have considered our partner civic groups in Contra Droga, the newly created Kamada, sir, as shown in the pictures. Next, please. On the questions that where do they fall in short, we have approached this as a national search, so we have considered foreign national keepers and global TCR. As of June 8, 2021, we have organized 457,000, but mababa lang po kami dyan, sir. So, dyan kami nag-fall apart sa Cavite, sir. Yan po yung magiging focus namin. Although we have met the 12% required sa populations natin na na-organize na rin namin. Next, please. That's all for the Cavite video, sir. Good afternoon.
May tanong ako.
Yes, sir.
Journey mo ito, hindi lang basta ito journey mo na, ang tanong ko rito is, do you have already, hindi natin mini-measure kasi dito, there is no measurement here, mga kasama. The indication or performance indicator here is the impact. The impact that results to the reduction of activities such as terrorism and drugs, which